Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the X pattern on the X-Cuboid. So it's like a big X, like that. Alright, so that's all going to be yellow, and on the other side that's all going to be white. So now the first thing we got to do is hold it any way you like. I'm just going to hold it this way, because that's like the logo. And don't hold it like this, hold it like this, with the big side facing up top. Alright, and then you're going to take one of the small sides, and so what you're going to do is you're going to turn the smaller side twice, and then both of these sides twice. So pretty much what you're turning is this layer twice, but this is like the easier way to do it. If you do that, and then that. Like so, like that. Alright, and then you're going to do that 8 times, just revolving around the cube. So, 1, and then next side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Now that you have this, you're going to turn this top side 2 times. And then holding it like this, we're going to do the same thing again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. And now we're going to turn it. And now what we're going to do is turn this middle layer twice. So like this. Alright, and then turn this top layer 2 times. So now you have this. And then what you're going to do is turn the middle layer again. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to turn it to the side. Like, turn the whole cube anti-clockwise 90 degrees, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn this down 2 times, on this side, and this side 2 times. And then you're going to face the cube down, like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn this middle layer 2 times, so, like that. So now it looks something like this. And then now you're going to turn this top layer 2 times. And then you're going to turn this middle layer 2 times again, like that. And then if you turn this bottom layer 2 times, there you go. You have the X pattern. And it looks really cool. So it has like this X, like I said. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And these sides do get messed up, but it doesn't really matter because this X is there. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button right down there, as well as the subscribe button right next to it. And goodbye. See you in my next video.